You know, in my last video, I talked about being a slob, really. I mean, it's not just about how I dressed, it's about everything. It's about how I live. And this right here, this is the next step. I'm 49, I'm overweight, I'm very out of shape. But this right here, oh man, this is where it starts. You know, I used to think that I had to get in shape before I could, like, you know, show myself on camera. But I think that's a lie that most of us kind of believe. You know, the truth is, you have to kind of start ugly. You got to start tired. You got to start embarrassed. But you still got to start. You know, this isn't about becoming a fitness instructor. I definitely don't want to do that. It's about becoming a man who keeps his promises to himself. You know, I want to be a modern gentleman. I want to be strong, disciplined, confident. And that doesn't just start at a fancy clothing store or tailor shop. It starts right here on this pavement today. Oh, man, this is uncomfortable. It's uncomfortable for me to show you this. I'm slow. I'm winded. I do not look impressive. But you know what? This is honesty. And honesty is the foundation of real change. I think there's a lot of guys that are like me. They're my age. They feel like it's too late. I'm too old. I can't start. But that's so not true. It's just not how it is. I don't believe that. And you shouldn't believe that either. So if you're watching this and you're stuck and you're overweight, maybe you're ashamed, I want you to know something. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to take one step. And this is my step. You know, this channel, it's not about pretending to become a gentleman. It's about becoming one. We'll see you next time. Peace.